Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this is Shorab Hossain. As usual, uh, we make this video uh, for practicing English. So you can say this video will be fun entertainment because we are beginner in English. So that's why we made a mistake. Yes, please. From no. We are together. So that's why we made a mistake. We made a lot of mistake. So it creates some funny moments. So that's why I want to say, if you notice, when you notice our mistake, that time you can find out, and you can write down on the comment box about our mistake, because when you mention that time, we can learn from you. And also I hope when you mention, when will you mention about our mistake, I will be happy. So end of the day, you and me, we are together, will be benefited from this way. So that's why we need your support. So I and help. So I think and I believe you help me. You help me a lot by correct my mistake. So let's jump the main topic. So today our topic is very interesting because in our institution, we got one extra teacher, assistant, as an assistant, especially Nurani department, for Nurani department. So he just he have just came here some hours ago. So and then in the evening in this evening we have decided to eat something as a snacks. So uh, from like yesterday, today I also I go I went our local market to buy something for snacks, as a snacks, but I was not able to buy something. And then after that I transfer my duty to Abdul Basit. He is a teacher of this institute. And afterward he you are able, huh? You are able. He has done to buy these snacks. So we didn't we don't we don't make late to take these snacks, because this is very hot, and right now it's hot. So if we make late, it will be cool or normal. So mm, this is happening today. This happened today. So I will remember you again. That is, when we made a mistake, that time you can, if it possible, you can mention our mistake on the comment box, and we will be happy, and it will be support, it will be help from your side. So so now we can start our uh, eating. So brother, so you can call our new teacher to come here. Principal sir is not available in this moment. He went outside to reach a student's home. So call him. So and also this is one kind of practice in practice session, and so that's why I want to that's why I will create I create a lot of video every day for practice English. So if I introduce our new teacher, respected teacher, he has joined today. So you can see our new teacher in this institute. Brother, what is your name? Muhammad Ali. His name is Muhammad Ali. So we are feel proud of him. So from tomorrow, he will start his job in this institution, and with our Abdul Basit teacher. He is the chief of the Nurani section, and Muhammad Ali, and Muhammad Ali will be assistant of him. So we are colleagues. We are together. We are together. Uh, will make something different for this institution. So I hope you enjoy our video. So I think it's enough for today, and as soon as possible we will see you with another vlog. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.